Hey everyone, it's John Struckman here from Pro Approach Bowling, and today I wanted to talk about a really unique bowling ball, the Storm Ion Pro. All right everyone, so we're really excited about the Storm Ion Pro, and why? Well, it's the first ever asymmetric benchmark ball from Storm. So what that means is this is going to be a really versatile but also stable bowling ball due to the core and cover stock working together. So the core numbers, RG of 2.47, differential of 0.35, cover stock is TX16, but hybrid this time. So a little versatile, but also a very stable option in your bag. Really versatile as far as the layouts that you can put on the ball as well to dictate ball motion. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill this up. We'll head out to the lanes and check it out. All right, I just got off the lanes with the brand new Storm Ion Pro, and man, what an awesome ball this was. Really stable ball reaction. I know it's gonna be essential in my bag. And if you'd like to get yours, just head to proapproachbowling.com, use code YouTube to save 5%. And if you'd like to watch the whole full-length game that I bowled with this, just click on the link right here, and we'll see you all in the next video.